Good day, sir. Today, I will explain my performance task about identifying the fastest and the safest network from Route 1 to Route 10. So first, let's talk about the fastest path using UDP. The route I selected is Route 1 to Route 3, to Route 6, to Route 7, to Route 8, to Route 10 with a total cost of 70. Now, this path is considered the fastest because UDP focuses on speed. It sends data without checking if the packets are received correctly. Because of that, the transmission becomes faster and has lower delay. Also, if we look at the path, it has fewer hoops, which helps reduce the time it takes for data to travel from the source to the destination. However, the disadvantage of this path is reliability. Since UDP does not have error checking or retransmission, there is a risk of data loss. And in this case, the path goes through some unstable routers, which makes it least dependable. Now, let's move to the safest path using TCP. The route is Route 1 to Route 2, to Route 3, to Route 4, to Route 5, to Route 8, to Route 10, with a total cost of 56. Even though this path has more steps, it's considered safer. This is because TCP ensures the data is delivered correctly. TCP checks for errors, and if there are missing or corrupted packets, it resends them. So even if the transmission is a bit slower, the data will still arrive complete and accurate. Another important point is that the path avoids unstable routers and broken links. That's why it's more reliable compared to the UDP path. So, if we compare the two, UDP is the faster because it prioritizes speed and low delay, while TCP is safer because it prioritize accuracy and reliability. In conclusion, even though the UDP path is faster, it is not always the best choice. If we need dependable communication and complete data delivery, TCP is the better option. So I conclude that the TCP is more ideal because it provides a more stable and reliable connection. That's it, sir, and thank you.